Hello everybody, I'm Carsneat123 and today I'm going to be talking about how to learn an instrument. This is guitar lesson 0 for anyone who's learning guitar. I have tutorial videos. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I have 3 main things that we're going to go over. First is discouragement, second is remember to practice, and third is going to be learning from videos. This video is a very quick synopsis of what I talk about more in depth in another video, which I will link in the description. But anyway, discouragement is the first thing. People say you can't be self-taught. That is not true. I'm here. Videos and ads are very discouraging. They always tell you that you can't learn by yourself because you aren't paying for lessons and that you have to have lessons. Also not true. I'm here. Plenty of people are self-taught and do phenomenally. I could do much better, but I don't. My biggest thing with discouragement is you are your biggest critic. You are going to critique yourself the worst. You're going to notice more mistakes than anyone else does. And then the last part of discouragement, you're not going to play well for a while. It'll take a lot of time. That brings me to the next thing. Remember to practice. First of all, homework for everybody. Put your guitar or instrument out where you can see it every day, because if you can't see it, it's not going to exist. Second of all, a lot of people say that they can't practice because they don't have the time. 3 minutes of practice is still practice. 3 minutes is way better than 0. I would say to try for 15 to 30 minutes, but if you only got 3 to 5 minutes a day to practice on it, that's better than nothing. Last of all is how to learn from videos. First of all, you're gonna learn the most of your stuff from watching and observing other people and how they play. So pay attention when you're learning a song to how they're sitting, how they're holding the guitar, how they are switching chords, how their fingers are. More stuff is found in tutorials than what you're going to hear. There's going to be a lot more that you can see than hear. Second of all, find a consistent plan. The more consistent you practice, the more progress you're going to make. I would say 15 minutes a day, every day, is way better than like 2 hours once a week, because consistent practice, frequent practice, is really good. Having a goal to work toward is very important, because that'll keep you from plateauing, that'll help you make more progress, and that'll make things smoother and easier and give you a motivation, like a reason to keep playing. And then make sure that you're always looking for flaws. You're never going to be the best guitarist on the planet. Even Jimi Hendrix was not the best guitarist on the planet. There's probably so many things that he could still work on. There's going to be the same exact thing for you. There's going to be a lot of things that you can work on. Last of all, follow through. This is really important as well. Follow through. If you start a video or a song or something like that, make sure that you finish it. You need to have, like I said, consistency. If you are jumbling about on videos, you're never going to get more than little pieces of information. It's going to be hard to put things together. That wraps up our 5-minute video on how to learn an instrument by yourself. If you guys want more information or more explanations towards some of the stuff I said, check out my longer video. It's about 15 minutes. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. This is Carsneat123.